In this video, you will learn how to export monitor setup information. This tool allows you to set up your display from your computer so that when you get to the field, you will not have to manually enter field names, prescriptions, guidance lines, or products. You will just load the setup file created in the software. To begin, open SMS. In the menu, select Tools. Then click Device Setup Utility, or select the Device Setup icon from the main toolbar. The Device Setup Utility window will now open where you can edit any existing configurations or add a new configuration. Click the Add New button. The Setup Info dialog will now open. Enter a name for this new setup configuration. Adding a description will help you identify what data is contained in this configuration for future use. Click the Field Setup tab when you are done naming your configuration. The Field Setup dialog will now open. To add new growers, farms, and fields, click the grower or farm you want and then click Add to move them to the selected items window on the right. If a new grower or farm needs to be created, click the Add New Field button at the bottom. Click the Resource Tracking tab when you are done adding farms and fields to be exported. The following screen will let you select any resource tracking items you want to export. Depending on the display that you are exporting to, you can select containers, implements, people, and vehicles. Click the Pest Setup tab once all resource tracking items have been selected. The Pest Setup screen will allow you to add new or select existing pests to export to the SMS mobile software. Add any pest to export to the selected pest window, and then click on the Drainage Tile tab. The Drainage Tile tab allows you to add new tile products and select existing products to export to the display. Select any tile products you wish to export and click the Add button. When finished, click the Product Setup tab. The Product Setup tab will be displayed where all existing products will be listed. New products can be added. After adding all desired products to export, click on the Spatial Data Setup tab. The final screen is the Spatial Data Setup screen, where items from the management tree such as boundaries, guidance lines, and prescriptions can be selected and add to the configuration. Once you have added all desired operations to the configuration, click OK. You will now be returned to the Device Setup Utility screen, where you may edit the information contained in your setup configuration at any time by selecting the name and clicking Edit. Now, to export your setup configuration for use in your display, click the Export to Display button on the Device Setup Utility dialog. The Select a Display to Export to window will now appear. Choose the manufacturer of your display on the left and choose the display type on the right, and then click Export to Selected Display. Now select where you would like to store this setup configuration on your computer, and click OK. The software will now build and export your configuration to the selected location. Once the data has been exported, you will be returned to the Device Setup Utility dialog, where you will click the Close button. You have now learned how to add new growers, farms, and fields, build a device setup utility configuration, and export that configuration to your display. For more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.